Yeah, break time. What's up, suckers?
No.
Doing some climbing.
Get in there.
Where are we going, Sarah, anyway?
We're going to the top of there.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh no, I lost my spoon.
I'm not going up there.
Yogurt.
Look, spoon.
There it is.
Big wall.
Let me get prepared myself.
Look at those cracks, dude.
Oh, bumble bark, Ron?
Boom!
Something light that I could probably handle.
Here.
Unless you want to wait for him on the climb.
Man, those are some beautiful black dikes up there.
Okay. The only thing I like more than black dikes is white dikes.
Cole, you sick bastard.
No, the pegmatite bands. Finding rocks.
Oh, the white one.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, dude.
God, this guy. Whoa, what a day. It's already been a success.
Yeah, we got up here.
Oh, this is awesome.
Uh-huh.
Skeeters.
I know they're out.
I don't know what to do with my gum now because I think a dog might find it.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
There's,
Woo!
Oh, you dropped it.
you can kill guard dogs.
Oh, God. Dog has to be pretty hungry to eat a piece of gum, I would think.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Boom. That's so good. Swallow it right away.
Oh, that's a nice boulder that chick's powwowing under.